Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Lenovo Tab P11 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. After that, click I accept, choose Confirm, Continue, and Allow. After that, you need to select Send on Lenovo over here and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, tap Send, and click Got it. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, click Browse in the middle and select misclick. And select, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!